Hi, my name is Martin from Customs Coatings. Today I would like to talk about an important topic in steel surface preparation, the degree of oxidation after cleaning, commonly known as flash rust. One of the main challenges in hydraulic steel cleaning is the phenomenon known as flash rust, which occurs when wet steel begins to oxidize during the drying process. Both ISO and AMPP standards classify this phenomenon into different levels based on the color and the amount of oxide present on the surface. Light flash rust is characterized by a slight surface discoloration without noticeable texture and is generally acceptable for most epoxy coating systems. Moderate flash rust appears as more visible discoloration and requires evaluation of the coating compatibility before painting. Severe flash rust is identified by abundant reddish oxide and a rough surface texture, necessitating re-cleaning before coating application. Effective control of these effects can be achieved through the use of rust inhibitors, rapid coating application, or optimizing drying times and ventilation, ensuring the surface is in optimal conditions for epoxy addition. This is Cosmos Coatings. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.